Hi guys, it's Kay with TechFigure, and today I'm looking at some of my best applications of 2018. So let's get started. Okay, so the first app is something called Newsty. So there's a lot of people out there who like to keep on top of the news, but at the same time they're incredibly busy. So a very quick way of doing that is using this application Newsty, which basically summarizes the main news headlines into very small paragraphs which you can digest quite quickly. The odd thing about this app is that it doesn't deliver news on the weekends. Apart from that, it's perfect. The next app is SmartKit 360. This is one app that tries to replace 32 others. It basically combines many simple tasks into one single interface. Everything from a notepad and a file manager to a metronome and a torch. This app has every basic task covered, and they work offline as well as online. Next up, we got an app called CleanFox, which is designed to reduce your carbon footprint. And the way it does this is beneficial to you as well. You sign in with your email, and it will tell you in a Tinder-style swipe interface all the different newsletters you're subscribed to. And with one swipe, you can delete and unsubscribe from every single email, because apparently one email emits 10 grams of CO2 per year. So it feels like a win-win situation, doing your bit to save the planet, but at the same time making your life a bit easier. Next, by Google themselves, we have Storyboard, which lets you load up a video, which can take a while. But once it's done, it turns it into a comic book, which you can pull down to refresh, and it will change the layout and the filters it's applying to each of the frames. It changes the entire look of it. It picks out frames which it thinks highlights the best scenes in your video, and most of the time it does a surprisingly good job. Okay, next, one of my favorite applications called Vimage, which is a combination of the words video and image. Once you've picked a photo from your gallery, it gives you an initial screen, which lets you tweak things like saturation and sharpness, and contrast, and all those basic functions. From there, it takes you to a different screen, which lets you pick from a number of moving effects, everything from fire to spinning tops and shooting stars. Some of them are good and some of them are not so good. But I do think if you pick the right one for your image, the effects are subtle and really eye-catching. The next app is a browser, and it's called Cake. It's different to Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, in that when you type in a search term, it loads up every relevant website. So from the search menu, you can just swipe across, and you can pull up every single page instantly. Because of the way this works, the initial loading takes a little bit longer than Google Chrome or any other browser. But having all these pages open simultaneously lets you flick between them much more easily. Okay guys, that's all for this installment. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.